Introducing the new Korniche Roof Lantern from Made for Trade. Designed from the ground up, it installs faster, insulates better, and delivers greater security. Slimmer sightlines maximize the view, while every detail reflects customer feedback. It's a true showcase of innovation, reaffirming our position as the UK's leading manufacturer. The Eaves Beam's outer section is now made up of thermally efficient, glass-filled polyamide on the outside, working with its aluminium partner on the inside. This not only means it's strong, but also is exceptionally insulated. Assembly is quicker. Corner brackets simply click into place, holding joints safely secure while the roof is assembled. Integrated LED lighting installs with ease, using the pre-drilled holes to ensure the ideal power supply location. Spar profiles combine a thermal PVC crossbar with a deep aluminium profile for strength and thermal efficiency. Their reduced size and taper gives a slim, modern look. Hips click into the ridge boss, held by a built-in clip until the single fixing secures them. All fastenings use the supplied driver bit, the first lantern designed to assemble entirely with only one tool. The assembled ridge and hip structure, the spider, is lowered onto the eaves beam. The corner brackets have a designed amount of movement in them to let the hips drop in, then hold them securely. Cross bolts are turned a few threads to hold the corners, left loose so the eaves can adjust for rafter installation. Slide the rafter's bottom cap down, hook the top into the ridge until it clicks, then slide the lower cap back up flush. As the rafter locates, the lower lug engages perfectly with the receiver in the eaves beam, ready for fixing. Like the hips, it stays secure during assembly. With all rafters in place, the spider can be locked. Insert and tighten rafter bolts with the supplied T40 driver, then the hip cross bolts. Adjuster bolts can be tightened if required. With the roof squared, position it on the upstand, ensuring an even overhang. Using the PZ2 driver end of the supplied driver bit, fasten through all pre-drilled holes to secure it in place. If fitting the LED kit, position the strip neatly, especially at corners. Peel the backing, press into place, then clip in the screw port cover diffuser lens. Run a continuous bead of sealant around the groove between eaves and upstand. At the corners, insert the nozzle into the sealing port and apply until it emerges from the adjacent hole. This seals the joint from within, fully and with minimal effort. Glazing is simple. Fit retainers. Equalize the gaps. Rest the top edge on the ridge and lower into place. The Eaves Beam's self-centering feature aligns the panel. Lift the glass slightly, then set it back down to engage the anti-lift lock, part of the roof's PAS 24 security. Fit each hip top cap onto the PVC crossbar, aligning with the security insert. Press down until it snaps into place. Then adjust for a flush edge. Once locked, they work with the anti-lift system for added security. Clip the ridge top caps centrally into place. Fit rafter caps from the top edge, clipping down and pushing up firmly to meet the ridge top cap. Finally, check the bottom edges align. Fit the boss top caps with a firm push. Then rotate the rafter and hip end caps into place. The roof lantern is now fully assembled, with clean, secure lines on every edge.